What's going on, guys? Listen, everybody's always asking me, commenting, and messaging me of what the XL can do in the trails. You guys have seen it in the water, you've seen it in some mud, but you haven't really seen it in some actual trails. I mean, you have, but nothing like this video. You really haven't. So, guys, stick around this whole video and watch it, and then at the end of the video we're going to explain to you how you can make your XL be just like our XL. Your XL not perform the way that our XL does? Well, stick around and watch the video and find out just how beast this thing is, and we're going to tell you how easy it is to make it that way. camera, so we're assuming they stuck around and watched the whole video.
Yeah.
And I'm sure that they liked what they seen. They seen that thing just slinging mud. And just for the record, that was 4-wheel drive diff lock. Every time you seen it spinning, it was in 4-wheel drive diff lock, just putting that power to the ground. We're running 30-inch tires, and we're running our primary clutch kit. So my R.N.G primary clutch kit with our SRM 3 Helix clocked to B2 with our stock secondary spring. And you can find that clutch kit on our website, www.rngperformance.net. Guys, we also run in the Super ATV high clearance control arms. I do sell the bushings for those. We do always have limited quantities, but I can get you the arms and the bushings, so message me on that. And if I have the bushings in stock, I can set you up with the arms. So we're running high clearance front and rear control arms, as well as John Hester's Stage 1 Cloud Riding Elkas. And let me tell you, they're game changers.
They're the best.
They are. Let me tell you, we took that thing over a jump and had 4 wheels off the ground, and it landed butter smooth. And I really, honestly, I was thinking I was going to replace some stuff. Mm-hmm. But no, it handled it so well. And with those brass bushings, the suspension isn't squeaky or anything like that. It's nice and smooth, and just no clunks, no clanks, no nothing like that. We don't even have the bed rattle anymore because it's packed full of mud and can't rattle.
Yeah, it's bad. It is so bad.
Yeah. Hasn't rattled in a while. But guys, if you really want an XL, listen, we had some bugs to work out. You can see those videos and how we worked them out. They were nothing major, and I'm sure wouldn't happen to every machine. All it really was, like the check engine lights, they were, like connectors that I just had to unplug and replug in. Or there was a couple that weren't totally clipped. We worked through those, and any machine, car, truck, SUV, boat, don't matter. They all can have little things, little issues like that. We worked through ours, and we turned it into a beast, and it is super fun to drive in the trails, especially with the R.N.G clutch kit and 30-inch tires. And mind you, that thing will still do about 70 miles an hour on the road with the way we got it set up. We don't have it set up as a complete mud build, so we still have some road driving left in it, because we are licensed and do take it on the roads and have some fun, take the kids out for ice cream. You can find all of your CFMOTO parts and accessories and all your CFMOTO needs on our website. And if it's not on our website, we can usually still get it. We are a Super ATV dealer, and we are a dealer through other people, other companies as well. So if there's something you need and it's not on our website, give us a call, because chances are I can get it and I can ship it to you, and I can beat prices if I need to. Let me know. So just let us know what you need, guys, and we'll help you out with everything we can. Peace out. God bless. Hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and we'll see you at the grand opening this Saturday, the 30th of September.